Hello, my name is Nestor Acevedo. I am going to present you the synoptic table and two recommendations to avoid this inconvenience. My synoptic table, uh, excessive processing time, causes, consequence, preventive causes, inefficient, inefficient information, all of data documents, external factors, consequences, invalidity of the process, application, projections, and inability to submit and procedure of application, and preventing recent information requests, document verification, and early coordination. Recommendations. You must have a good coordination in advance to avoid that different factors in the development of the process. You must also know that the record is fixed, so the time must be coordinated before an application. Two recommendation. It is important to know the document and information must be updated and available in order to carry out the development of the process as soon as possible. Thank you.